Okay, so here we come back to the purchasing. So at the purchasing here, okay, for those like a site who want to do the online approval, you may perform the setting. Okay, so how you going to do the setting? First, you have to choose your user code, which means the user code means where the person will issue the PR, and then you have to choose the approved by who, Diba, save. Okay, so if you want to add on, you just can add. Okay, and then approving limit means where you able to put the limit. Maybe Anafi, you want to put some, the limit of approval, maybe 2,000 ke, 3,000 ke, you will put it down here. Okay, so only these setups. Another one, this one is just like a discount account number, which means, so let's say you have the any discount account number under your chart of account, you just can put it here. If you don't have, you just can skip it. Okay, that one you have to refer to your own accountants lah. Okay, so now I will show you how you have to perform the PR and PO. Okay, I will show you in the two ways lah. Okay, so it's subject to you which one you want to use. Okay, so I will log out this one. I will use my staff ID to issue out the PR. Okay, so the first thing is will be your PRs lah. Okay, so you just have to go to the purchasing here. Okay, after you go to the purchasing, direct go to the PR and party name, just can put the party name here, John. Okay, what are the things that you wanted to buy? Okay, so meeting table, I just put like samples lah. Okay, so 2,000, save. Add on, maybe you want to buy another like your meeting like chairs lah. Okay, chair 6. Okay, each chair costs you about 250. Save. Okay, so let's say under the John Sandiran Berhad, you have many items to buy, you just can put it here. Okay, then save. Okay, I want to brief you two things. If let's say you don't want to do the online approval, but you just need a system where to issue the PR, then you just can update here and you just can print. Okay, so this will be the sample of our PR is look like. Okay, so to upload this note, all you may refer to our technical teams lah. Okay, one thing. Okay, take note lah. And another one, let's say for those sites who wanted to do the online approval can, once you key in your PR, how are you going to submit to your committee member to sign? Okay, remember your committee member must have a user ID for the system, okay, so that they able to access. Okay, they able to access and do the approval. Just go to the approval chain here. Okay, okay, then you just can put this one. Okay, this will be your approving officer, submit requisition, and you already submitted. Okay, now I will show you how does the person in charge will do the approval and how it will reflect at the PO then. Okay, so I will log out this one. Then okay, you just can go to the, sorry, you can go to the inbox here. Okay, so you can see there's a one requisition. Okay, so you just can approve or reject lah. Okay, so I just approve. So once you approve, system will auto capture the PO. Okay, so now I will show you how you will have to generate the PO. Okay, so this one I will exit. Okay, I will log in here. Okay, so when you get the PO, it will direct jump to the message box here lah. Okay, again the similar things. Okay, then what you have to do is you just can go to the PO here. Okay, and okay, you have to choose your vendor. Okay, okay. Once you choose that vendor, you can see there's a one PR. Okay, you just can go to the next, okay, and save. Okay, so this will be your PO. And another thing, so for those site who want to go for the menu, you have to manually update your POs. I can show you guys how does the layout is look like. This will be your PO layout. Okay, and another thing I want to highlight, during you issue the PR, maybe you want to attach some quotation, you just can attach over here. Okay, just for informations lah. Okay, but kindly do take note. Ours one, we don't have like a comparison place for your quotation. Okay. So far, any question for purchasing? So if you guys have no question, you guys may have a 10 minutes break because later on the e-com will be a quite big modules and smart office quite a smart module is tiny like e-com will be quite huge modules for you to go through. So I will give you 10 minutes breaks lah. Okay, we will start after 10 minutes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so everybody is here. You can proceed with the e-community module. Okay, so this will be our last module slide, which is the e-community. Okay, when we talk about the e-community, I will let you know what you guys have to do and everything lah. Okay, so for information, these modules are fully built in charge by your management. Okay, CSM only will help you to guide. Okay, the rest on uploading some details of your announcement, so on, replying to your complaint, everything is fall under the management. Okay, so when we talk about the update all the details, where you go and find the e-com is over here, e-community. Okay, so at the e-community here, there's a few things that you able to implement it. Okay, so before you go to the upload the announcement and so on, I will brief you what are the okay, so I will brief you what are the I will brief you what are these things you have to prepare earlier. Okay, so the first thing will be you have to generate the ID. Okay, so the management have to generate the user ID. Okay, so the management have to generate the user ID for the owners. Okay. Okay, so where you will generate the ID, for example, maybe you have like a few hundred or thousands of unit, you will generate over here, issue login ID. Okay, I will show you one. Okay, I will show you how you create one user ID now. Okay, so the user ID here. Okay, so at the user ID here, if let's say you want to create 1 or 1,000, the step are same. Okay, I just put the owner name. Okay, here, this one. Okay, and generate. Okay, after you generate, oh, where's my user ID? Wait, why very slow? Hmm. Wait. Okay. So this will be the user ID. Okay. So you can see here. So this will be the code and then their password. Okay. Let me choose the password. This one is tenant ID. Let me create the owner ID lah, so that later I can show you the dummy account. Okay. It's okay. Seems it's taking time. Okay. Okay, I did create the ID. Again, I repeat, if let's say you wanted to generate the ID, you have to go to the view or select and you just have to generate. Nah, so this will be your first step. Second one is this one. Okay, remember the ID management have to create, not by owner itself. Okay, that is the first thing you have to do. Okay, the rest is where you're going to upload some notices. Okay, and other documents as well. Okay, the first thing is we talk about the announcements now. Okay, so here we do have a two type of announcement. I will let you know which are the things that is a link to the app, which is not linked to the app. Okay, first thing is a community news. Okay, community news means you can upload any type of announcement, PDF, JPEG, or your wording. Okay. Okay, if you want to put some announcement in the JPEG, you just go here, add, again, I repeat, go to the manage, add, okay, choose one picture. Okay, so you just can choose your file. Can be any announcements, like maybe you have like your fogging or any festival. Okay, you just can update over here. Okay, so make sure you have to selamat hari puasa kan, selamat hari puasa. Okay, then you can update here. Okay, whatever the things you want to put here lah. Okay, selama berpuasa ke dekat umat Islam ke, whatever the things, you just can put it over here. Okay, and then kat bawah yang ni nanti I brief. Okay, what is about. Okay, and here we do have a party, which means if you want to post to the all residents, you just can put all. If you want to post the owner, you can choose owner. Tenant means tenant lah. Just put owner. Then for those who using the app, okay, click app, make sure you press the app banner. Okay, don't forget. And then if you have more than one department code, please do choose the all department code and save. Okay, that's it. Okay, so your announcement will be somewhere here, this one. Okay, so this will be your announcement. If you want to upload the PDF copy, okay, here when it comes to the PDF copy, actually we do have two ways. One, for those who using the app, you have to upload here. For those who using the web, you have to upload here, which means app means click app. Okay, some of the project they have like a mix usage of the groups, okay, because they will use the click app, either the e-com webs lah. Okay, so you just can if you want to upload some file, you just can go here, choose your file, can be any file. Okay, then you just can put title now. Okay, stay. Okay, apply to all department. If you want to put as an app banner also can. Okay, all and save. That's it. Okay, so this is the thing how you upload the announcement. Let's say for those project that you want, you using the web-based e-com means, you just can upload over here. This one. Okay. Means you want to see the owner view, is it? Okay, so for information, the app will be a later part. Okay, so now we focus on the uploading. After you upload, after I done everything, then only the end part I can show you how does it look like. Okay, so after I done all the upload, okay, or until the contact list, then I will show you how does the app is look like. Because at the app also there's some things that you have to be done. Okay, so the another thing is a management bulletin. So when it's come to the management bulletin, it is a PDF copy announcement, which is for the e-com web. Okay, how are you going to upload? Okay, quite simple. Just go to the manage. You just can go to the app, choose your file. Okay, and then S. Okay, and then save. Okay, that's it. Okay, this one is just for the web-based e-com. Okay, then another thing is, okay, then the another thing is a facilities booking. So at the facilities booking here, what you can do is, okay, so if let's say you have some facilities, okay, where you wanted to update, okay, so where you wanted to update your facilities, you just can create your facilities over here. But kindly be informed, our facilities here, we are not support for the deposit payment. Okay, so if you have like the those facilities which you don't need to, and you don't need to have any payment, then we will recommend you to use this ones. Okay, so the first thing is you have to create the facilities. Okay, how are you going to create? Okay. We come back to here. So if let's say you want to create the facilities, you just can go to the manage. And okay, if let's say you have any of your images like your facilities images, you just can add on here. If you don't have, it's okay, no problem. Okay, then you can choose your okay, let me create what I want to create a lot of facilities. Okay, so the login ID as one, you just can regenerate. For example, let's say your owner forget, you just regenerate, should be no problem. Okay. Here I just put netball court lah. Okay. Okay. What time is open? Okay, maybe it's open at 7. The close time is maybe at 10. Okay, maximum duration. Okay, maximum duration means per booking how many hours they can log in. Actually, it will link to the purchase order. It will link to your financial accounting. Okay, under account payable there. Okay. So we come back to here first. Azwana, we are at e-com first. Okay, after I done the e-com, then we can, I can explain on the purchase order now. Okay. So let me finish our e-com first because I don't want to jump here and jump that. Okay, it may happens like other attendees also, they will get confused. Okay. And then we come back to here again, the facilities booking here, where you will generate all your you will update your facilities details over here now. Okay, since our one we don't have a deposit payment facilities, then you just can update the free facilities now. Okay, so here the quota time scale, I choose month 12, booking deadlock 2. Okay, so let me explain to you. This one, the per booking they able to use 3 hours. Okay, that's the one thing. And then the calendar length will be a 10. Okay, if you want to put 30 also can, should be no problem. Quota time scale here I put 12. Quota time scale is a month. Quota hour is a 12, which means for per booking, your owner only able to use for 12 hours. If you want to extend, yes, can just go about it. Okay, so because this one is a fully will control by management, not from CSS. Okay, booking deadlock means how many days before they have to do booking. Okay, so if you want to let your owner to do the booking means you just can. Okay, so if let's say you want to let them to view, then you just can untick the member book online lah. If you want to let them to book means you just can tick it. Okay, then save. That's it. This is the one thing. And another thing I want to show you up. But before that, I let you show the schedule that I created lah. So this will be the facilities booking schedule. Okay. And another thing is here, default setting. Okay, so we do have a default setting here where you're able to do the your default setting means not to let them to book the facilities. Okay, so how you go about it? Of course, you have to edit, choose your edit, and then you have to choose your facilities. Sorry, choose your GL code. How you will choose? You just can choose it from here lah. Okay, I believe all of you know what is the GL code is about it. Okay, and then minimum amount. So the minimum amount here I put 1,000. Okay, so which mean for those who have more than 1,000, they unable to do the bookings lah. Okay, then you just can save it. That's it. Okay, so if the management want to help them to book, okay, you just can go to here and then you just can choose. You just can press the bookings lah. Okay, so here you choose to whom that you want to book. Okay, so this will be the quota hours. Okay, so let's say one particular unit, the quota hour is over the limit. So if you want to add on, you are unable to do the add-on for one particular unit because here we doing the setting according to your facilities unit, not according to your house unit. Okay, then save it. That's it. Okay, so any question for okay, any question for like a e-community, community news, management bulletin and facilities? Okay, then we go to the another features lah, form downloads. Okay, when we talk about the form downloads, okay, we do have two type of forms lah. Okay, one will be your e-form. Okay, e-form is ours one we using the Google form as a platform lah. Okay, then another one is a PDF copy. Okay, so it's subject to you. If let's say you want to use both also can, or you just want to use one also can. Okay, should be no problem that. Go here. Okay, so how are you going to upload? Okay, first go to the manage and choose your form. Can be any form like moving in form, any renovation form, car park application form. You just can upload over here. Okay. Then after that, you just can put the title. Okay. Okay. Then you just can save. That's it. Okay. Okay, so if you wanted to upload the PDF, the Google form link, you must have your own link lah. Okay, then you just can put your own link here. Okay, you just have to copy your Google form link. Okay, you just put the URL over here. Okay, then you just can put title. testing. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to save it. Okay, so the later I will show you how does the owner view will look like for both forms. Okay, so this is the one things lah. Okay, and another one is this one, bylaw. Okay, bylaw means it's your house rule. You can upload your own house rules. Okay, how are you going to upload? This one, you go to the manage, edit, you have to choose your file and save. That's it, nothing much. Okay, and then the another one will be this one. Okay, management committee. Okay, at the management committee here, okay, so at the management committee here, what you can do is actually we separate into two features. I will brief you what if let's say you don't want to implement it, okay, but there's a one thing that's a very compulsory for you to update lah. Okay, the first thing is this one, management number. Management number, it is a compulsory for you to update. Okay, because if you want to implement the minutes of meeting, it is required for you to update the management number. Okay, management number means which batch of the committee they are. Okay, and the down here will be details of a committee member. Okay, okay, let me show you how you're going to upload. The first thing is go to the manage. Here, management number, add management. Okay, after that, go to the add. Okay, the management number here, you can put 23. Type, I put JMB now. When they start, maybe they start on April itself. Okay, terms and okay, so I just put it any date that I wish to put. Okay, your JMB registered number nah. Okay, when the form dates. Okay, save. That's it. Okay, if you want to add on the details of your chairlady, treasurer, you just can upload over here. Okay, so how are you going to upload? You just can go to the add. Okay, sequence, put one, name, okay, the name you just can put okay, okay, lot number. If let's say you want to put the lot number, can like if you don't want to put, just can leave it. Okay, if let's say you want just to put their name and then their portfolio, okay, is good enough for you to proceed. Okay, it is not necessary for you to upload all the details of your all the details of your committees. Okay, then save. That's it. Then after that is your minutes of meeting. Okay, so here you're able to upload your minutes of meeting. So how are you going to upload? Go to the manage here, add, okay, choose your file. Okay, meeting number first. Okay, if let's say you didn't create your management number, means system won't capture the management numbers now. Sorry, system won't capture the minutes of meeting. Okay, this one, it is very, very compulsory for you to upload. Okay, and then add in just click add intro. Okay, then when was your meeting date? Okay, minutes by siapa? Save. So if let's say you didn't create your management number, sometimes the client during the training, they won't focus much. So they won't create the minutes management number, and when they want to upload the minutes of meeting, they will have a trouble where they are unable to upload. Okay, so kindly do take note. So if let's say you wanted to upload the minutes of meeting, you must have the management number. Okay. Another one will be your account statement. So for the account statement, you don't need to do anything because you are posting from the property management. Okay. And this is quite important. Service request recipient. Okay. Service request recipient means this one. If the owner make a complaint from resident portal, no matter it's from the app or web-based e-community, who will receive the complaint? Okay, this is quite important. Okay, if you did done the implementation of online complaint, but you didn't do any setup. Okay, but if let's say you didn't do any setup for the service request recipient, okay, you won't receive your complaint. It will forever hanging at our server there. Okay, if you want to implement the online complaint, do take note, make sure you guys do the service request recipient setup. Okay, how are you going to do about it? Just adding, okay, and then just choose a name. Okay, and save. That's it. Okay, so whenever the owner make a complaint, these all people will receive. Okay, or you want to standardize, you just want to put one people name. Okay, once the person in charge get, they want to send to someone, means yes, can also, should be no problem. Okay, is the one thing. And then I will go to this one, contact list. Okay, I will go to the contact list, then only I will go for the VMS setups lah. Okay, so for the contact list means you can upload any nearest emergency contact. Can be like a balai, or you want to put some MO contact, just put in here, no problem. Okay, so the contact type, maybe I just put the helpline. Okay, contact description, I just put thing lah. Okay, phone number. Okay, that's it, save. Okay, and it will go down here. Okay, so later I will show you how does it works. And this one, phone app setting. Okay, so might be when you want to implement the app, might be the certain features that you don't want to implement. Okay, can, no problem. Okay, so how we go about it? You just can go to the edit. Whatever the features that you don't want, you just can untick it and save. So the owner, okay, all the owner, they unable to use that features lah. Okay, so this is the one thing. And then another thing will be this one, facilities booking a report. Okay, so if let's say you want to view any facilities booking report, you just can choose from here now. Okay, let me see, can I get like an overall report now? Okay, so this will be the type of our report. Okay, you because I don't have like a proper data, so I just choose like choose a general searching lah. Okay, so that I have something to show to you guys. Okay, how the report is look like. Okay, this is the one thing now. Okay, then I will touch the last part, which is the visitor setting. Okay, after done the visitor setting, I will show you the app. I will show you two apps lah. Okay, resident portal first. Okay, then after that I will show the management app. Then after that our training section will end. Okay, so we come back to here. Visitor setting here, we won't do the VMS demonstration. We just will guide you on how you will do the setup. Okay. Okay, so here manage visitor parking means where you can do the setup for your visitor parking. So if let's say you have a few visitor parking, you just can update over here. Okay, how are you going to update? You just can go to the add. Okay, what's your parking bay number? Okay, just can update here. Okay, the pass identity, you just can copy paste the similar things. Okay, the remarks you just can put lah. Okay, this is like contractor punya parking ke. Okay, any remarks you have, you just can put it here. Then save. That's it. Okay, and then this one, register QR walk-in pass. Okay, so at the register QR parking pass here, you will create the pass. Okay, the pass means for you to pass it to your visitor. Okay, we just have to go to the add. Okay, you just can choose lah. Okay, lobby, the pass ID. I just simply put category maybe is a visitor lah. Okay, and save. Okay, this will be how does your pass is look like. We do have a two category. Okay, this is how does it look like. So if you guys interested on the VMS, you may call our sales rep lah. Okay, since today we just covering for the setup, I just will go through the setup part. Okay, so if you wanted to know more details, you have to feel free to call the sales rep to request for the demonstrations. Okay, and another things I want to show up is this one, member ID report. Okay, member ID report means here you can have a look who was logged in for past 7 days, or you want to view until like all means you just can press the all. Okay, and another one, sub ID report. Okay, sub ID report means you're able to see who is your give me a minute. Okay, so sub ID report means actually we do have a sub ID as well. Sub ID means where the owner will create the ID for them. Okay, that one later I will show you how does the owner will create now. So if let's say you wanted to view, you just can view from here. Okay, so now I will show you the web wait. Okay, I will show you the app first lah. Okay, because app is important one. That's the app server. Okay, so this will be the app. Okay, so at the app here is, okay, whenever I post the announcement, this is how the announcement is look like. Okay, so here will be your announcement. Okay, the running banner. So if let's say you wanted to view, you just can press the announcement and can view. Okay, and your statement. Okay, so you're able to view your own statement from here. Okay, so what other things? My bill means whatever the bill that you have for that particular month, you have it here. Okay, history means your transaction history. Now over here you can view up to 12 months. Again, I want to mention this is our dummy data, so sometimes the data won't be so tally lah. Okay, so if let's say your project has been activated for the e-payment, then you just can make a pay from the app here. Okay, this is the one thing now. Okay, and here you do have a banking slip. Banking slip means, for example, let's say you have like you done a payment. Okay, you done payment from your own Maybank to Yoker or CDM. Instead of sending an email, okay, you want to attach your slip over here also can. You just can go to the new slip, you just can attach it now. Okay, and then here will be the forms. Okay, so the forms you have like a two type of forms lah. As I mentioned earlier, your PDF copy. Okay, sorry, my skin is a little bit smaller. Okay, it seems today one won't be a demonstration, just going up the app. So I just will brief you. If you're really interested to know more details, please call your sales rep. Okay, and the another one, let me show where's my e-form. Okay, so this will be the sample of the Google Forms. Okay, and here will be a visitor slide. So if let's say you have any visitor, if you subscribe our VMS system, then you able to use it. Okay, it means your owner will able to do the registration ahead, whereby the system will create the QR code and you may share to your visitor as well. Okay, and here you have the facilities. Okay, so at the facilities here, so at the facilities here, you able to do the bookings lah. Okay, so how you going to book? So from here you can do all the adjustment and then you just can book. Okay, and then you have the, what else you have? Complaint. Okay, so here you will send the complaint. Okay, how you send? You just can go to the new request here, feedback. Car parking. Location, B, direct. Testing. Okay. Testing. Okay. So if you have any image, you just can upload over here and save it will be submitted. Later, I will show you how does the management will reply to your complaint. Okay. So at the progress here, they able to view whatever the progress one they able to view from here. So whatever the completed, they able to view from here. Okay. And the down part here, which is just like a common things where you're able to download and read it out your own community news. Okay. And then bylaw will be your house rules lah. Okay. And then committee. Okay, so the committee means is your chart organization of your committee member. This one no content. Let me see one. Okay, this is how you look like. Okay, and here you have the contact, emergency contact. Okay, so emergency contact means where you have like a the one that nearest emergency contact that you uploaded. Okay, you can view from here. Okay, so this is the one things like so this will be the one things lah. Okay, that you able to view. Okay, so now I will show you how you will reply to your owner complaints. Okay, that's the most important that you have to aware. And then I will show you how you will use this smart office as well. Okay, so just now you received the complaint that from the your owner, right? Okay, so whenever you receive a complaint, okay, so you check under your inbox. So this is the complaint as well. Okay, you can go here. Okay, so if you want to reply, it means once you're done, it's a similar step. Okay, similar step as what I mentioned earlier at the task management lah. Okay, and then if you want to assign to someone, you will choose from here. If let's say you done, it means you just can go here, action, choose the target date. Sorry, you done means you just can put complete. Okay, here you can see message to UC member means just to let them know that you are done now. Okay, then you just can put done. That's it. Okay, when it's come, okay, if you have this error message, this one just ignore because this one is just for the SMS activation. Okay, so this one you just can put matter, should be no problem. Okay, what else I want to show to you guys? Okay, the last one, let me show you the web-based e-community now. Okay, just for your reference purposes. Okay, so this will be the web-based e-coms lah. Okay, where you have your management bulletin. Okay, where you able to have your facilities. Okay, to do the bookings. Okay, then another one where you have a form download. Okay, and bylaw means it's your households lah. Okay. And then your minutes of meeting. Actually, all the things is a similar, but the thing is the only will be a different is your announcements lah. Okay, and then the channels is a bit different lah. Okay, and here you have your register sub ID. So if let's say you want to create your sub ID, you just can go here to add, go to the sub ID, then you just can put the name lah. Okay. And then the other particulars you just can add on now. Okay. Set and save. So this will be the Alin punya ID, okay, user code, and then the passwords. Okay, then they can log in into the app as well. Okay. So if you want to change your password, you just can change from here. Okay, and another thing, last one, I want to show service request. Okay, at the service request here, you just can, you just can add on. Maybe you want to make a complaint from the web-based com. Okay, you just can add, and then you just can choose now what is the feedback is about. Okay, and then location kat mana. I just put lobby lah. Okay, then testing, submit. Okay, and it will be submit to the management. How you receive, I will show you again. Okay. Okay, you will receive at your inbox here. Excuse me. Okay, so this will be the complaints lah. Okay, but whenever you receive a complaint from the web-based e-com, you have to see one thing, that you have to update the event type. Okay, save, and then only you can go to other sections, like for example, like assign someone or complete the task. Okay, but the flow, whenever you receive it, it's the same thing, where you have to check under the inbox. Okay. So far, any question for e-community?
You handling JAS?
I'm in training, Catherine. So if you guys have any question, just can proceed. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, our facilities booking here, we don't have a deposit. So if you have any deposit facilities, we will recommend to go with your current practice. Our one is just for like open facilities lah. Any other question you guys have it?